What is going on, guys? It is Glenn here with a very quick invitation to invite you to promote our new launch, which is the 1K Profit Partnership. Now this one goes live on Warriorplus on Monday the 9th of January. That's going to be at 10 a.m. EST. And in short, it's a software training and system which is going to help your subscribers make $1,000 commissions by promoting high ticket products. So everything is built into the system to enable your subscribers to cash in like the big guns and the big dogs online to promote high ticket affiliate products like high ticket webinars, and it's all automated and it's pretty much all 100% done for you. So if this is something that interests you and you think that your subs would like this kind of product, system and software, please consider promoting on Monday the 9th of January. It's going to be at 10 a.m. EST in Warriorplus. On this page, if you're on the JV page, you're going to find out everything you need to promote this one. Information about the product, the software, the training. You're going to find out where to get the email swipes, the banners, and all the other cool stuff. Everything's going to be underneath this video. If you're not on the JV page, just click around this video somewhere to navigate over there. And with that said, I want to say thank you very much for promoting our new launch. I want to say thank you, of course, for promoting all of our previous products to this date. If you can jump on this one, 100% guaranteed reciprocation for all those people that do promote this one. Whether you're in my top 5, top 50 or top 100, I'm gonna have a look at your offer. If it's gonna be a fit for my audience, I'm definitely gonna consider pushing that offer. If you need a document, the JV document and access to the 1K Profit Partnership, please hit me up at any given time. I'm available on Skype, Facebook, Telegram, and anywhere else you can find me. Message me and I will send it over as fast as possible. So the 1K Profit Partnership helps your subscribers tap into a system where they'll be able to promote automated high ticket affiliate campaigns that pay out $1,000 on demand every single time. So thanks a lot, guys, once again, and I will see you on our leaderboard on Monday, the 9th of January.